In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Suno AI, a powerful tool for composing and editing music using artificial intelligence. Whether you're an aspiring musician, a content creator, or just curious about AI music, this guide will help you understand the basics of using Suno AI. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Chrome browser. Once you've got Chrome up and running, navigate to the Suno AI website. It's the platform we'll be working with today. If you're visiting for the first time, you'll need to create an account. Don't worry, this process is straightforward. Just follow the prompts to enter the required information, and you'll be set up in no time. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. Upon logging in, you'll arrive at the Suno AI dashboard. This is your creative hub. Take a moment to explore the dashboard and get comfortable with the layout and tools available. You'll find a range of options designed to inspire and assist you in your creative journey. Familiarizing yourself with these tools will make it easier to navigate through your project. Once you're acquainted with the dashboard, it's time to start a new project. Here, you have the flexibility to choose how you want to begin. You can select a template if you prefer a structured start. This might be helpful if you're working toward a specific genre or style. Alternatively, if you want more creative freedom, you can opt for a blank canvas. This choice gives you total control over the project from the ground up. Now that your project is underway, you can start adding elements to bring your music to life. You might choose to add vocals, instruments, or even some text. The platform provides a variety of digital instruments and vocal samples you can incorporate. Don't be afraid to experiment here and test out different combinations. One of the exciting features of Suno AI is its AI capabilities, which can help you compose or edit your music. You'll find AI-driven tools that can assist with harmonies, rhythm creation, and even the overall arrangement of your piece. These features are designed to enhance your work while providing new possibilities you might not have thought of before. After you've perfected your masterpiece and you're satisfied with the results, it's time to save your project. Suno AI ensures that saving your progress is a breeze, preventing any loss of all your hard work. Once saved, you have the option to export your project. You can choose various file formats depending on where you intend to use your music. This flexibility allows you to easily share your creation with others or use it in your own projects. And that's it. You've just embarked on your first journey with Suno AI. Remember, like any skill, practice makes perfect. The more you explore and create, the more proficient you'll become. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find Suno AI as promising and enjoyable as I do. Until next time, happy creating.